Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm out here with one of my throwbacks. This one is the Hubsan H107C, and this was the second generation of Hubsan, and it does have altitude hold, but it's still pretty cool though. I like the way the lights are and the design of it. I did have a Flyaway with one of these guys. Flew away on me. It is on YouTube still. I think if I can find that, I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to see when this guy flew away on me. But that was a good thing, because then Hubsan sent me this guy and took me aboard on the team to help develop the software for these guys. So this one here isn't a retail model. This is actually a test model. I think the only difference is the camera here. The retail models have a 720p camera. Mine is a 1080p camera. And the other difference is the protocol. I think mine is on the protocol of Hubsan's. I think it's a 002 that they have. And so I have that little transmitter here, the Hubsan 002, I think it is, that I'm going to fly this guy with. There are a few differences as far as the operation and all. I can't control the camera or anything with this transmitter, I don't think, but I don't use the camera anyhow. I like to fly around with it and all. The altitude hold is a little better on this one than the one that flew away on me. And I think all the retail versions now that you might be able to find now would probably have newer software in it. Mine has a faster yaw rate, because I was telling them how I wanted it for the most part, and they gave me a faster yaw rate and a little faster descent and all. And I don't think that they went with my rates for the retail version, but still happy with my version. Let's get this guy up in the air so we can check it out. The little transmitter doesn't have self-centering throttle. That's another reason why I like to fly it with this little transmitter. So check it out. This was one of the things that I told Hubsan I would like them to implement in it, is a faster descent. So check out how fast mine descends. So I thought that would help with this guy flying away and flying it in wind. Oh man, looks like my battery's dying early on me. The battery died on me, didn't hold out too long. I did test fly this guy a couple times when I was at home, so I guess I'm gonna charge the battery back up. I guess take this guy out for a night flight. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so I'm back out here with this thing fully charged. It's night, so let's get this night flight going with it. Turn that on, turn the transmitter on. Okay, so it's down. Check it out. Awesome lights on it. And this battery just might be spent. Might not be able to hold the charge because it's going down again. And I just fully charged it. Yep. Think it's about time to do a mod to this thing. Maybe get some different batteries in here somehow. I'm gonna have to rig up a little connector on it. I don't want to change the insides of it as far as the brains and all. I still want it to still have the same brains and everything. I just want to change the connector for the battery. So that's what I'm gonna have to do with this thing. That's what'll be happening to this little Hubsan H107C. Alright y'all, so we back out here with it for a quick night flight, and I have the stock transmitter this time. No more tiny transmitters, so let's turn this guy on. Throwback Thursday. Still in effect, y'all. Let's get it in the air. Charged it up again. Should be fully charged now. Check it out, y'all. Really stable. Can't remember if this guy does flips now. Oh man, so it must really be the battery. Alright y'all, I done traveled full circle back to the park where I started at. This Throwback Thursday done turned to a still sticking with it Saturday. So I'm back out here with this thing, and I actually had to do a little mod to it. Put a pH 2.0 connector on there, got rid of that little connection, did a little chop shopping on it. This is the best I can do for now, having the battery sticking out like that, because I have to get rid of this camera. This is a 1080p camera. It kind of pains me to have to take this off of here, but I really don't use these cameras. But I am gonna show you guys that it is a 1080p camera. I have this SD card in here for its final recording before I take this thing out. And again, I got the stock transmitter here now. Let's get it in the air. Got the squirrels out here as usual. See if we can fire this thing up. Okay, so let's get it in the air. So now I can change the rates now. We're in low rates now. Check out the yaw. Pretty decent yaw, pretty decent pitch. Side flying right there. Okay, we're in high rates now. Check out the yaw. Faster yaw now. Pretty decent funnel. I can stop on a dime. And pretty decent pitch. So I got this thing custom programmed. Still don't like the altitude hold, but this is the best it can be with altitude hold. With a nice yaw and a decent pitch. Oops, and I pulled down too hard. I got used to pulling down with this guy. And he's trying to go up on me. Trying to go up on me. Trying to do the flyaway on me, I guess. I don't know. What's up with it? I still have control of it, but it's just going up. And the emergency stop, let's see if that works. Nope. Won't come down, guys. I'm pulling it down, but I still have control of it. That's a good thing. So the range is pretty decent with this. guess it's gonna fly up there until it runs out of battery. I'm staring it, keeping it right here. Can't tell if it's still going up or just sitting in place now. Yeah, this guy doesn't want to come down. When I let off pulling down, it actually starts climbing. So I'm gonna have to keep pulling down on it. Uh-oh, it seems like it's just going off. I can't even see it now. Sheesh. Yeah, I can't even see it, guys. Sheesh. I'm guessing it's out of sight. I guess that's it for it. I'm just going to turn the transmitter off. Maybe it'll fall wherever it is. Just checking up here on the ground, make sure it didn't come down over here. Doesn't look like it did. Well, I guess I'm going to end it on a flyaway. We got another flyaway, guys. Thanks for watching.